right, you guys, we are back to consistent uploads. And today's video is probably one of the coolest videos I've made in a really long time because I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to start dropshipping using AI in just a couple minutes, to where by the end of this video, you'll have an entire store built for you by AI. So if you actually want to learn how to start dropshipping the right way using AI, then listen up. Now, all you're going to want to do first is scroll down underneath this current video and click right where it says get a free Shopify store built for you. That's going to be the storebuild.ai/page/Jeremy. Now click that link right there, and then all you're going to do next is you're going to see this page in front of you where it says create your Shopify store for free in just 5 minutes and start selling today. Choose your niche and get a ready to sell store with 10 products. Now all we're going to do right here is pick whatever niche we want to sell in, and if we do need some inspiration or we don't see our specific niche right here, we can just click this. I would also advise, if you do not have a decision on a product made yet, you could always just click this. Now I'm going to go ahead and click build my free store. And then I'm going to go and paste my email. But obviously, if you're selling clothing, pick clothing. If you're selling pets, click pets. If you're selling tech, click tech. Home goods, sports goods, or just need inspiration. And all we're going to do here after we click that is just go ahead and insert our name, then insert our email, and then insert our phone number. Now, all we're going to do after that is click claim your store. And just like that, the AI is going to get started building your store. Now, there is a couple more steps, as you can see on the screen. The next step is going to be to pick a color for our store. We could go orange, green, blue, red. I typically like to use blue just because I think it's super simple, super clean, and pretty much works with any niche. So I'm going to go with blue and then click next. Now, next after this, we're going to see pick a banner, and here's where we could actually pick the banner of our store. Now we have a ton of different options, and we could always, fix these things later or edit these things later if we want to, but all I'm going to do is go looking through these different banners, see which one looks clean. I honestly like this because this is kind of a neutral one that we could really use for any product. So next I'm going to go ahead and click next. And now the AI is already building our store just like that. And this is why using AI is so cool, is because even if you change some things on the store after AI builds it for you, AI is doing all the hard work, all the heavy lifting, setting up all the actual things on your store that are kind of hard to get going in the beginning. Now, next, it's going to ask me to create my Shopify account, so then they can go ahead and link this store to my Shopify account and in turn send me the store. Now, all I need to do is click right here where it says create Shopify account. And even if you already have a Shopify account, you're going to want to use a new one for this new store. So click create Shopify account. All you're going to do here, once again, is paste your email. It should already load, or you can just repaste it. Then go ahead and go through these steps to actually start your free Shopify trial. And don't worry, you guys, you do get a free trial on Shopify. And then even after your free trial, it's $3 for 1 month. So next, I'm going to go ahead and add all my payment methods in here and then click subscribe for $1. Now, after I click subscribe, my free trial on Shopify is going to start, and all I'm going to do next is pick a plan. I would recommend you guys just click the basic plan, but you guys can choose whatever you want. I'm just going to go ahead and click try basic. Now I'm going to just insert my store details. You guys can insert them now, or you can just click add later and do this later in settings. You guys can go through these questions. These basically help you just customize your Shopify experience a little better, or you guys can just click skip customize setup. Now at this point, we have our Shopify store set up and ready to go. So next, what we're going to do is go back over to Zendrop, and then all I'm going to say is next because I've already picked my plan. And now, as you can see, we're logged into Shopify and we have our plan picked successfully. So after we've set up our Shopify store, we're just going to go back to this tab that we were already on. And our next steps after we do this is to select plan, which we already did, and then all we need to do is click next. So all you guys are going to click at this point is access Shopify URL. And then as soon as you're on this page, as you guys can see right here, you're going to see your admin link up here. All you need to do is copy that link, go back, and then just go ahead and paste that link right here, then click save. Now click next. And just like that, the AI is now going to add the store that it built for us into our Shopify account that we just made, so we can obviously start using the store. Now we can click add winning products, and basically this is going to set up our supplier for our store that we're building using AI. All we need to do is click install when we click this page, and then we're going to see right here, Zendrop, click install. And at this point, now we're going to have our supplier set up. So then when AI imports our store, everything's good to go. So I just approved this right here. And now I'm going to go ahead and complete my store setup. You're almost there, just a few more steps to fully set up your store. All I'm going to do is click continue onboarding. And at this point, it's going to add some winning products to my store. and we're good to go. All I need to do is click receive store since we set everything up. And just like that, we're gonna receive our store. Now, as you can see, congratulations on completing all the steps to launch your AI-powered store. You've tackled the hardest part. Your store is ready. Now it's time to shine. Click go live to publish your store. Now, all we need to do is click this single button to go live. And also just keep in mind, you guys, that on this step, it does take a minute. As you can see right here, 1 minute left. So it does take a minute to actually do this. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and click next. And then just like that, you guys, we're gonna have our store actually set up. So congratulations, your store is ready. You're just a few clicks away from going live and making your first sale. Simply click remove password and publish your store to open your doors to online business. So all we can do is just click remove password. And then right here, we're able to actually remove the password on our store. So then people can actually start shopping. And all we need to do is add our store address, then just click this little button right here to remove the password, and our store is now live. But now that we have our store set up, let's take a look at it. All we need to do is go to online store, click customize, and as you can see, Zendrop has literally built out this entire store for us. We've got literally reviews on the store, down here testimonials, subscribe to our email section. We've got our best sellers, we've got top quality products, worldwide shipping, money back guarantee, everything to make our store look super clean. If we go to catalog, we can see that each product also looks really clean inside of here. They've got a bunch of cool custom settings that are right here, and we could even enable a bunch more things. For example, frequently bought together. As you can see, if we want to show that, we can just unclick this Zendrop builder. We can unclick or click on all these different things that we want to add, all these different elements essentially inside of here. But the point is, your store is fully set up at this point and ready to start making sales. The other cool part about this is all the products that are currently on your store are already set up on Zendrop for your supplier as well. So if we go to apps and we go to Zendrop, we can see that all of our products are also set up. Now, all we're going to do is go ahead and click make my first sale after we've done that. And after that, the next thing we're going to get access to is an exclusive deal on Zendrop if we want to sign up for Zendrop right now. As you can see, they're doing a crazy Black Friday special, which gives you 12 months of premium tools for $197 per year, which is usually $549. So honestly, a really crazy deal that you guys should definitely take advantage of, but you guys could either click claim your offer or just click decline one-time offer, and then just go ahead and click next. And now, just like that, our store is launched and ready to go. And if you guys want, you guys can just go start customizing your store inside of Shopify. And if you haven't already, you can click here to go ahead and join Zendrop's free program. And as you guys can see, now that we're finished with all the steps on the AI builder, we can click here to actually join Zendrop's free program if we haven't already. Click continue with Zendrop, and basically you're able to now access the Zendrop Academy, which is essentially just a ton of extra videos that you get with Zendrop, where Zendrop teaches you everything you really need to know about online business. And now that we have everything set up, you guys, if we go back into our Shopify store that we just built and go to Zendrop, we're gonna actually be able to see this message, complete your store setup. Now, if you've already completed everything like we have, just go ahead and go to app.zendrop.com, and then you're gonna be able to actually see your Zendrop account. Now, inside of here, we could see, if we go to my products, we could see that Zendrop already has all these products set up and linked to our store. So now if we just click linked, we could see from Zendrop the product actually inside of our Shopify store. So this is the other really good thing about this AI builder, is it instantly connects your supplier for you. So Zendrop is now already set up on your store, and you already have all these products linked and ready to go, meaning as soon as you start making sales on them, they'll pull up in your orders tab right here, and you can turn on auto fulfillment, and Zendrop will auto fulfill your orders for you, to where now your store's set up with winning products, and all that's left for you to do is actually get started marketing. And you guys could also hop into Shopify and customize anything you want. Now that you have the store set up, you could go in here, go to online store, go to customize around, and add or change whatever you want. You guys can also go to your new Zendrop account, and you guys could add or change any products you want. If you find another viral product you want to add, like sunset lamp, for example, you can just search that up, find a ton of different options on Zendrop, and then just go ahead and add a bunch of these to your store if you want to as well, or whatever product you want to sell. The point is, all the hard stuff's done, everything is set up on your store and good to go. Now, I know we talked about a lot in this video, but the biggest summary and what you really need to understand is if you go to the link in the description right now, you guys are able to get a Shopify store built for you, like I just showed you, loaded with winning products, with the supplier setup, with everything you need to start selling for free. And I can't guarantee this is going to be free forever or available forever, because it is something that obviously is worth so much. All you guys need to do though to take advantage of it while it is still free is go to the link in the description, click the link, follow the steps that I just showed you on my computer, and you guys will be good to go. Now, if you have any questions on anything at all or need any help, make sure you guys also just go ahead and go to the link in the description, join my free dropshipping course, and you guys can message me in there or just comment on this video with any questions you may have. That being said, make sure you guys like if you enjoyed this one and subscribe, because I'm bringing you guys banger videos literally more consistently than I ever have in my whole journey on YouTube. So let's make it happen.